Day 5 on the way to the moon. This is About Space Today's special report. I'm David Denault. Yesterday was day 5 for the crew of Artemis II, and they woke to working-class heroes and a special message.
Hello, Reed, Victor, Christina, and Jeremy. This is Apollo 16 astronaut Charlie Duke. John Young and I landed on the moon in 1972 in the lunar module we named Orion. I'm glad to see a different kind of Orion helping return humans to the moon as America charts the course to the lunar surface. Below you on the moon is a photo of my family. I pray it reminds you that we and America and all of the world are cheering you on. Thanks to you and the whole team on the ground for building on our Apollo legacy with Artemis. Godspeed and safe travels home.
NASA astronauts Reed Wiseman, Victor Glover, and Christina Cook, along with Canadian astronaut Jeremy Hansen, will conduct a full sequence of spacesuit operations, including putting on and pressurizing their suits, performing leak checks, simulating seat entry, and assessing mobility and their ability to eat and drink during the full day of testing. The suits are designed to protect astronauts during a dynamic phase of flight, provide life support in the event of cabin depressurization, and support survival operations after splashdown. Later in the day, the crew performed an outbound trajectory correction burn, received their final lunar science targets, and entered the moon's gravitational sphere of influence at approximately 12:41 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Monday, April 6th. NASA Deputy Administrator Lori Glaze discussed the Artemis II setting a new record.
So a little before 2 p.m. Eastern tomorrow, we're going to pass the Apollo 13 distance record by humans, and that record is 248,655 statute miles. That's when we break the record. And then tomorrow evening around 7:07 p.m. Eastern, we will reach the farthest distance from Earth at a distance of 252,760 miles. That's 4,105 miles farther than Apollo 13. You asked about the percent of illumination. My recollection, it's close to like 21%.
Yeah, the caveat there, though, is that is the percent of the far side that is illuminated at closest approach. So when they are closest to the moon, they will see 21% of the far side. On their approach, as you saw in that visual, they will see the full disk. It will include a big section of the near side as well as that section of the far side.
Essentially, half of the moon is always illuminated.
We'll see that.
And so they will see the full 180 degrees that's illuminated as far as far side. Yeah. Thanks, Kelsey.
Astronaut Victor Glover was asked if the crew had an Easter message similar to that of Apollo 8 during their Christmas fly around the moon.
In all of this emptiness, this is a whole bunch of nothing, this thing we call the universe. You have this oasis, this beautiful place that we get to exist together. I think as we go into Easter Sunday, thinking about, all the cultures all around the world, whether you celebrate it or not, whether you believe in God or not, this is an opportunity for us to remember where we are, who we are, and that we are the same thing and that we got to get through this together.
Continue to check out our Facebook page at aboutspace.today for special reports on the Artemis II mission. And if you like our reports, click like, follow, and hit that subscribe button. And to all our listeners around the globe and here in the U.S., thank you for taking time from your home or from where you work to listen today. I'm David Denault.